Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain the Newton's law of motion. The first law, the law of inertia, explains that an object will stay at rest or keep moving at the same speed and direction unless a force acts on it. And its formula is the summatory of all forces equals to 0. The second law, the law of force and acceleration, explains that the acceleration of an object depends on how much force you apply and how heavy or massive the object is. Its formula is force equals to mass times acceleration. And the last one, the third law, the law of action and reaction, explains that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The formula for this law is force 1 equals to negative force 2. The forces are equal in size but opposite in direction. Now let's see some examples for each law. Now let's make an example for the first law of Newton. The exercise says, a ball is resting on the file. No one touches it. What happens to the ball after 5 seconds? If we analyze what the exercise says, is telling us that the ball is resting and no one is touching it. So that means there are not net forces acting on it. So and also there is no acceleration. So if there is no acceleration and other forces acting on the ball, it means that the ball will still resting after 5 seconds, unless another force like a kick acts on it. Now we have the example for the second law of Newton. It says, you push a 4 kilograms toy car with a force of 12 newtons. What is its acceleration? First, the first step we have to do is to find the information or data. We have 4 kilograms, which is for mass, and 12 newtons, which is for force. And the exercise says we have to find acceleration. We have to remember the formula for this law, which is force equals to mass times acceleration. But if we look at the information, we have to find acceleration. So here we have to do a variation. The variation is acceleration equals to force over mass. Now that we have the variation, we can substitute all the values. Acceleration equals to force, which is 12 newtons, and mass, which is 4 kilograms. 12 over 4 is equal to 3, and it will be meters per second. And this is how we find the acceleration. And finally, we have the example for the last law. And it says you're standing on a skateboard and you throw a 2 kilograms ball forward with a force of 10 newtons. What force pushes you backward? So, in here, you are one of the forces. And the force of the ball is the second force, which is 10 newtons. Now we just have to apply the formula. Let's remember the formula is F1 equals to negative F2. So this will be F1 U equals to negative 10 newtons. And that will be. So this is all for the Newton's law of motion. Thank you for watching and hope you understand everything. Bye.